Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Shlok's World. And do you think this bird family is looking cute? You want to make it? Then let's do it. First of all, take a square paper and then fold it like this. Now fold the legs and the wings. After doing this, I've turned the paper around and fold the beak, and I've cut these two corners to make it look like this. I have cut two heart-shaped paper, and now I'm going to put glue on it and I'll stick it over here for the legs. See, our bird family is ready. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye for now.